The RSL was a local hall built by the citizens of Geebung in 1923 and was affectionately known as a hole in the wall. The team at Geebung, they're an absolutely fantastic team to work with. We have some very young staff that are still at school to some staff that are nearing retirement age. Before Tanda, it was such a long, drawn-out process doing our rostering and payroll. Rostering took nearly a day to do. Payroll took nearly a day and a half to do. Having to check paper timesheets to a finger scanner and cross-referencing that and then entering it into payroll. Shift swaps were a nightmare. People were not aware or unsure of who was doing what, so sometimes it was just a bit of potluck of who was going to turn up to what shift. It cost us a lot of time in mistakes being made. It's generally an issue within the industry. We all do talk about it. We all have a little bit of a whinge about it, but it's just making that step to changing our systems and processes.
So how Tanda solves a lot of these common problems for the industry is by making the product itself really easy to use and work with. The majority of the admin time is actually reduced by automating the calculations, setting up the settings and the rules around your business so that you can go in, approve the timesheets, and it will automatically come through into your payroll system.
Now using Tanda, it has just freed up so much time for me. Everything's there in the cloud. The data analysis being live is absolutely fantastic. Our teams have found logging in to Tanda to be quite simple. It's very easy. They pop in their passcode, have a selfie taken. There is no double handling. They sign in and out of Tanda. That creates their timesheet for them. They like that they interact with the club via the Tanda app, whether it be SMSs to updated roster, which is a really good feature of Tanda.
As an online system, Tanda has live tracking of any wage variance, so it's really easy to actually go in there, see the reports of what you budgeted and then what your staff have actually worked.
Using Tanda has seriously slashed that time that we've now spent on payroll and rostering. I can get a little bit more out and about and speak with my team instead of sitting at my desk.
A lot of management in the clubs industry have come with the mindset or the approach of don't fix what's not broken. The candle wasn't broken when they invented the light bulb, and we really like to take a similar approach. Just because your existing system or existing process is happening, there's a whole bunch of time and efficiencies which equal money for the business that can be saved, and it'll be a more enjoyable experience for everyone.
If you're really struggling with your payroll systems and they're taking your time, talk to the team at Tanda. They'll be able to tell you how it can streamline all your payroll processes and make payroll an absolute breeze for you.
So if any of this is sounding familiar to you and to your venue, give us a call. Happy to get you on a free trial or just jump online and have a play.